Hi, I'm Kendallin with Lone Star Electric. Today we're going to be installing our Far Driver 72450 with a plug-and-play harness into our Venom E-Vader. Alright guys, let's get to it.
First, you're going to take your keys and open the middle storage compartment. Then we're going to insert our key and turn on the power to the bike. Go back to the middle storage compartment, switching the circuit breaker to the off position. Now you will see the display go blank as the bike powers down. Then you're going to remove your key from the ignition. Now take the key to unlock the side panel that will enable you to remove the seat. Now it's time to remove the panel. You'll want to make sure to remove all the screws and bolts that attach to the side panel. The tools you will need to remove the screws and bolts will be a 10mm socket and a No. 2 Phillips screwdriver. Here I used a small plastic pick to remove the cover to expose a hidden hole. Once all the bolts and screws have been removed, you can now take off the side panel. Now you'll want to unfasten the controller by removing all the nuts and screws. Now you can remove the controller. This bus bar uses 8mm nuts to secure the wires. Carefully remove your wires from the bus bar. Once you have removed all of your wires from the bus bar, you can now start unplugging your controller. Put your old controller off to the side and we can begin the new installation. Start by finding the smallest yellow wire that was connected to the bus bar and cut off the ring terminal. Next, you will strip the wire about a 1/4 inch. Twist the wires so they can be easily inserted into the included butt splice. Here we crimp the splice to secure it to the wire. Now we can begin to plug in the included harness. The blue plug goes to the 3-pin connector that has 2 wires. Continue connecting remaining plugs to their matching connectors. You will have one remaining plug from the factory harness that will not connect to the new controller. take your new controller and start removing the cover plate with a Phillips screwdriver. Now you'll want to remove the 5 wire lugs. Fasten your phase wires and battery cable to their matching lugs with your screwdriver. Replace the cover plate and secure with screws. It's time to install the 30-pin connector. There are 2 guide slots that will only allow it to be installed one way. You will know you have attached it correctly when you hear it click together. Next, we will attach the Bluetooth adapter to the remaining plug on the controller. Once that's done, we can insert the controller and secure it to the frame with the included zip ties. Now we calibrate the controller. Flip on the circuit breaker. Close and lock your middle storage compartment. Now you can turn on your ignition. Start the calibration by engaging full throttle and allowing the wheel to spin forwards and backwards until it stops on its own. Remember to keep the throttle engaged during this process. Once you hear an audible tone, you will know the process is complete. This concludes the installation of the Lone Star Electric High Performance 72450 plug-and-play kit.
Alright guys, well I'm going to go ahead and put this here back together again, but stay tuned for our next video where we'll be removing the stock battery and installing our new 72 volt EV battery. See you next time guys, enjoy the